especially to you, Teacher Althea. I am Sean Obeli Amitrabaya and I am 23 years old. So today, I'm going to propose my business, which is Amit Souvenir. So, what is Amit Souvenir? So, Amit Souvenir is we made our own products like refrigerator magnets, bracelets, and key holders. And it is made of woods, shells, and yarns. Our goal is to promote our own products, and our objective is economic, cultural, personal, marketing, marketing, social, and these are Amit souvenir items. So we have different native items. We have press magnets and different designs, like slippers, hats, and baskets. We also have bracelets, and we customize bracelets. And we have also have native bags. And the last one, we have chandelier. So, our purpose for this business, it generates revenue and provides employment reminders of travels and experiences and create unique memories. These purposes highlight the significance of souvenir items. So, why did I choose this business? I choose this business because it offers a unique blend of financial and personal and emotional rewards. So, what's the offer I can offer? So, all the items are good quality and affordable and, and unique presents to friends and family. So, my business location is at the LG Garden in Stan and Macau Shrine. So my business hours is Monday to Saturday, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. and Sunday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So our tagline is Amit Souvenirs, where memories meet art. That's all. Thank you for listening.